Samarambam Nityanandeshwari Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। Today I'll continue to expand on Nirahara Samyama, how it helps you to live the four principles. Listen. Nirahara Samyama is directly blasting all the root patterns you have created. All the root patterns you have created and you are cherishing. Listen. All the root patterns you have created and you are cherishing, directly or indirectly, some way rooted on your foot pattern. Listen. All root patterns you carry are directly or indirectly related to food. So when you start the Nirahara Samyama and shattering, blasting the root patterns you carry, suddenly you will see there is so much of relief, so much of inner space. See, the food and love, food and sex, food and fear, food and worry. Somehow all these major possible root patterns are deeply rooted. Listen. Food and love, food and sex, food and worry, food and fear. Somehow all these major root patterns are directly connected to food. These major root patterns are directly related to food. जो भी मूल विचारधारा आप में उपस्थित है वह प्रत्यक्ष या परोक्ष रूप से आपके आहार के मूल विचारधारा से जुड़े हुए हैं। निराहार संयम सीधे आपके मूल विचारधारा वो जिन्हें आपने निर्मित किए हैं और जिनका आप पोषण कर रहे हैं, वास्तव में सीधी तरह से या किसी और रूप में आपके आहार के आपके मूल विचारधारा से संबंधित है। Understand the way you relate with the patterns. Listen. The way you relate with the patterns. You think patterns are like a cancer tumor. You can just do a nano surgery and remove them. No. They are interrelated, interconnected, intertwined. Interrelated, interconnected, intertwined. The most important thing you should become aware is if you blast one root in which all the major root patterns are connected. Listen, if you blast one root in which all the major root patterns are connected, easy to release yourself from all the root patterns. Let me give you the example. All your fear pattern will somehow be related to food, because society threatens you first with food. All your love pattern will somehow be connected to food, because, listen, because food and love both you receive from mother. So you always associate food with the love. All your worry is associated with food, because as a child you had a lot of worries related to food. Will you get in time? Because all your early crying is for food. Food is much more strong root pattern than lust. See, lust becomes a difficult pattern when it becomes perverted. But lust itself can never be a root pattern, because lust starts only after a physical maturity. Listen, lust starts only after physical maturity, but the root pattern start before the age of 7. Physical maturity can never happen before the age of 7. Even you fantasizing before the physical maturity starts happening only after 7. After 7, your inner space starts fantasizing, planning for physical maturity, and in those days it used to be around 14, the physical maturity. Nowadays it is around 10 or 12. But please listen, sex can never be a root pattern. It is only the complication of some more patterns. Food can be the root pattern, or it is the root of all root patterns. Food is the root of all root patterns. अगर आप एक मूल या जड़ को विनाश कर पाएंगे, आप में उपस्थित और मूल विचारधाराओं से आप मुक्ति पा सकते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? निराहार संयम. The right meaning of the word Nirahara Samyama is blasting all the patterns you created relating food. Going beyond all the patterns you created relating food. It is not even about going beyond food. Listen, I am not interested in making you all starve. No. Nirahara Samyama, participants never starve, they just go beyond food. One of the important rule in the Nirahara Samyama, the moment you feel hungry or tired, you have to start eating. You can't use your willpower. Understand? For completion, only the patterns related to food, for completion, to complete with all the patterns related to food, you can use your will, not for denying food to your body. Listen, you can use your willpower to reach completion. All patterns related to food I will complete from this moment. For that you can use your willpower, but you can't use your willpower to deny the food for the body. That is why I don't allow the kids to do Nirahara Samyama. Kids will not know. They need to have little more time to have clarity. There are millions of things I opened for kids, did not open for adults. But only Nirahara Samyama, I opened for adults and not for kids. Because kids may start using their willpower not to give food to their body out of enthusiasm. No. You should not use your willpower to deny food for your body. You should only use your willpower to complete all the patterns related to food. Actually, when you stop giving food, you will see so much. The patterns are coming up. Denial, anger, irritation, agitation, powerlessness without feeling tired. Listen, tiredness is different. Powerlessness is different. Powerlessness without feeling tired. You may not even feel tired, but you will feel powerless. Ahar और प्रेम, आहार और हवस, आहार और चिंता, आहार और भय, ये सभी मुख्य मूल धाराएं सीधी तरह से आपके आहार से संबंधित है। आपको जानना चाहिए कि यदि आप एक मूल को भंग करते हैं जिसके साथ सभी मूल विचारधाराएं बंधे हुए हैं, आप सभी मूल विचारधाराओं से ऊपर जा सकते हैं। आपके बाई से संबंधित सभी मूल विचारधाराएं आहार से संबंधित होंगे, क्योंकि समाज ने यह बाई आप में डाला हुआ है। आपके प्रेम से संबंधित सभी मूल विचारधाराएं आहार से संबंधित होंगे, क्योंकि बचपन में आपने अपनी माँ से प्रेम आहार की स्वरूप में अनुभव किया था। आपके चिंता से संबंधित सभी मूल विचारधाराएं आहार से संबंधित होंगे, क्योंकि बचपन में आपकी अधिकतम चिंताएं आहार से संबंधित थे। आहार आप में उपस्थित एक मूल विचारधारा हो सकता है, या आहार आप में उपस्थित सभी मूल विचारधाराओं का मूल हो सकता है। जब आप आहार लेना छोड़ देंगे, आप देखेंगे कि आपके कई मूल विचार भावनाएं जैसे क्रोध, तिरस्कार, भाव, आंदोलन, बिना बुनियाद की शक्तिहीनता इत्यादि जग जाएंगे। Understand? Look into the major patterns with which you make your life powerless. Look into the major patterns of your life which makes you powerless. निराहार संयम का सही अर्थ है आहार से संबंधित सभी मूल विचारधाराओं का विनाश करना। निराहार संयम उपवास करना नहीं है। निराहार संयम आहार की आवश्यकता से सरल रूप से ऊपर जाना है। I am not interested in making you all starve. Understand? No, that was not my purpose. That is not my purpose. My interest is liberating you from the patterns of food with which you are suffering. All the patterns you created because of food, irritation, agitation, dependency, pride, love, lust. You have created even lust on food. It is one of the worst perversions. When sex is denied, you start filling yourself with food. First, Nirahara Samyama, so that all the food related patterns are burnt. Then take up the vow of celibacy, so that when you deprive your body from sex, it does not become food perversion. When you deprive your body from sex, the first thing will happen is perversion of love. You will yearn for attention. Second, you will start becoming homosexual or getting attracted to same gender. Third, you will start getting attracted to any body, whether it is an animal or a tree. Fourth, the perversion of food. All the other things society will not allow, like attention need or the perversion towards the same gender. Please understand, I am not making any comment or statement against homosexuality or lesbianism, but I am making a comment having homosexuality as a perversion. And third, having sex with the animals also will not be allowed by the society. When society does not allow any of this, naturally the allowed perversion is what? Food. Allowed perversion is food. That is why all over the world, all celibate traditions, in all religions suffers with 90% obesity. In my life, first I was initiated into Nirahara Samyama. My gurus, my teachers, my mentors first initiated me into Nirahara Samyama and trained me into Nirahara Samyama. That is why 9 years of my pilgrimage, spiritual yatra time, spiritual pilgrimage time, I was able to live without even the idea of food. Not even once I stretched my hand for food. Not even once I begged for food. If it comes, I'll eat. If it doesn't, I don't even remember. I have not eaten. Understand? आपके जीवन में उपस्थित सभी प्रमुख विचारधाराओं को देखिए, जिनकी वजह से आप शक्तिहीनता को अनुभव करते हैं। आप उन सभी विचारधाराओं को निराहार संयमा के द्वारा विनाश कर सकते हैं। That is why I insist, before giving sannyas to any of my brahmacharis or sannyasis, I insist that they practice Nirahara Samyama first. After the Nirahara Samyama, the possibility of perversion dissolves. Possibility of perversion disappears. I have seen people who don't do Nirahara Samyama, who have not mastered Nirahara Samyama, get somehow depressed, somehow fall into depression with celibacy or any other spiritual practices. Even my Vidyalaya kids, even my Gurukul kids, once they cross 18, the first thing they have to do is Nirahara Samyama. Only then they can plan for their future, whether to get married or take sannyas, whatever. मैं नहीं चाहता कि आप भूखी रहे नहीं, आपने जो भी मूल विचारधाराएं आधार के आधार पर उत्पन्न किए हैं उनसे पूर्णत्व कीजिए। यहाँ तक कि हवास भी आहार ही की एक विकृति है। मैंने मेरे 9 वर्षों की परिव्राजक यात्रा में एक बार भी खाने के लिए अपना हाथ नहीं फैलाया, क्यों कि मेरे आचार्यों ने पहले मुझे निराहार संयम की दीक्षा दी। निराहार संयम is the first powerful spiritual process. First powerful spiritual process. When you go through the Nirahara Samyama, your body is awakened to a new kind of intelligence where it will know what is the original feeling and what is the perversion. Original feeling and perversion. निराहार संयम सबसे प्रथम शक्तिशाली आध्यात्मिक क्रिया है। So understand, with Nirahara Samyama, you understand the powerlessness. How powerless you are in front of your patterns. If you complete how powerful you became, you learn that science. You learn that science of how to be powerful always. You need to handle the food related pattern before you handle other root patterns. I sincerely feel, and I also recommend, even people who come for inner awakening, if you finish Nirahara Samyama and come first 3 levels, or during the inner awakening, practice 3 levels of Nirahara Samyama, the inner awakening will work very deep in you. Finding the root patterns and completing it will be very easy for you. I sincerely recommend निराहार संयम के द्वारा आप देख पाएंगे कि आपके मूल विचारधाराओं के आगे आप कितना शक्तिहीन हैं, और निराहार संयम वह शास्त्र है जिससे आप सीख सकते हैं कि कैसे आप हमेशा शक्तिशाली रह सकते हैं। अंडरस्टैंड, निराहार संयम द्वारा आपके शरीर में यह स्वाभाविक बुद्धि जागृत होगी, जिससे आपका शरीर स्वभाव और विकृति के बीच का अंतर जान जाएगा। You need to understand, when you actually attack the food pattern, all your incomplete love pattern will come out. All your incomplete fear patterns will come out. All your incomplete attention need patterns will come out. All your incomplete worry patterns will come out. It is almost like a smoking out all your patterns. If you want to kill a snake or rat which is hiding in his net under the ground, burrow under the ground, you put the smoke into that burrow and that animal will come out. You can kill. Same way, food is the burrow all your patterns will be hiding. If you put the Nirahara Samyama smoke, all your hiding patterns all the patterns hiding in your burrow will just come out. It is easy for you to complete those patterns. It is easy for you to clear those patterns. Every individual, listen, every individual has to do Nirahara Samyama before marriage. I'll sincerely recommend, even before you plan for your kids, do Nirahara Samyama, then plan for the kids. Kids will happen out of pure biomemory. जब आप निराहार संयम द्वारा आपके आहार के मूल विचारधारा के धारा का सामना करते हैं, आपके सभी मुख्य मूल विचारधाराएं बाहर आएंगे, जैसे प्रेम, भय, चिंता। फिर उन मूल विचारधाराओं के साथ पूर्णत्व करना आसान हो जाएगा। निराहार संयम is the first and foremost practical method of completing with all the root patterns. If you start with Nirahara Samyama, all the root patterns you find, start completing with all of them. All the incompletions you feel, start completing with all of them. During the 3 levels of Nirahara Samyama, the one and only thing you need to do is completion. 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 If you have not done Nirahara Samyama, you will only be struggling with your lust pattern, having some perversions. हर व्यक्ति को विवाह करने से पूर्व निराहार संयम करना चाहिए। यही नहीं, अब बच्चों को जन्म देने से पहले भी निराहार संयम कीजिए, तब आपको एक शुद्ध बायो मेमोरी द्वारा निर्मित बच्चा पैदा होगा। I have seen people knowing that they are not in their control, they will not be in their control, going behind their will. God, that's the most dangerous journey. You know you are getting into a mud horse which will melt down in the water in few minutes. I tell you, the greatest blessing in the life is able to identify your master and be slave to him forever. Best thing can happen is, I tell you, being slave to the right leader is the greatest thing can happen to a human being. Otherwise, he will be slave to his perverted will, logic, which constantly makes him powerless. Constantly, which makes you powerless. See, you go behind somebody who constantly makes you powerless. What will happen to your life? निराहार संयम के समय आपको बस एक ही कार्य करना चाहिए, और वो है पूर्णत्व। निराहार संयम के समय लगातार पूर्णत्व का अभ्यास कीजिए। जीवन में किसी भी मुख्य निर्णय लेने से पहले निराहार संयम कीजिए। The essence of today's satsang, before begin anything in your life, before taking any major decision in your life, do Nirahara Samyama. Whether it is marriage or sannyas or starting a new business, any confusion, because during the Nirahara Samyama, all your powerlessness will be smoked out. Do the completion with all those powerless moments, then decide. Your life will be right. Let you all achieve experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.